it's Eileen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the 3-in-1 collab, and this is hosted by Donna from Little Spaceman Papercrafts. So before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for April's challenge, she has allowed us, like I told you in the March one, that you can use your regular cutter, scissors, your regular paper pads and stuff like that. But as far as the little extras, you only can use 3 certain things. So this month she has us, so you need to use ribbon or lace, wood or a metal piece for an embellishment, and any craft item of your choice. And in addition, you can use your regular cardstock, paper cutter, and glue and whatnot. So we're gonna see what we could do. So I've been wanting to make a flat pen for quite some time. This would be a great opportunity to fit it into the 3-in-1 collab. So I picked up a pack of pens at Walmart. I have my paper and glue, and we're gonna get started. All right, guys, so this should be pretty simple. We're gonna basically just take our pen apart because we're gonna discard this plastic part here. We don't need that. And we're gonna just be working with the refill part. I selected this paper. It's about 11.5 inches because some I've already cut off. And I'm going to use this paper for this project. So we're only gonna need a strip here, however thick you want it. So I'm gonna trim this down. So I'm gonna trim this down to, let's say, 1.5, I think 1.5 inches. And then you're just gonna fold it in half. My pen will fit just like so. And I kind of actually like that this end part, to give a little more stability at the bottom, happened to be like brownish goldy color, and it goes with this paper, as you see here. So that's good. That will work out for me. And you're just, at this point, gonna get the adhesive and put it on in. So I thought for my any crafting item, in this case, I'm gonna be using the pen to be that any crafting item. So I'm putting on my adhesive. And then you're gonna just wanna place your pen just how you want it, kind of in the middle here. And I don't know if it's super necessary, but I'm just gonna put some glue on the edges, some liquid glue, just for a little extra support. And that's it, we're gonna just fold it on over. I just eyeballed where the pen will be. If you guys want to measure it, of course you can do it however you like. And you're just going to press your pen so that it gets flat in here. Okay, so now we have our flat sort of pen. It's getting there. It's a very simple project. Now I'm just going to trim, like cut a triangle off. This is just me eyeballing it. And so that I get the same cut, I'm gonna place this little triangle right on this edge here and just make a small line with my pencil and trim that edge off. So it looks like that, more easy to write with. So I picked up these wood buttons. These are from Walmart. They were just a couple of dollars. You get 8 in the pack, and I'm gonna use this to fulfill the wood part of the challenge. Then I have this ribbon, or I guess it's ribbon, I don't know. It came on a tassel that I did a swap with somebody, and I wasn't thrilled about it, the way it looked, and I took it apart so that I could still reuse the threads for something I would enjoy, and that's what's great about doing swaps. And I also have this other ribbon here that I'm going to be using as well, and I'm going to make it so that this part has a little tassel that would stick out your planner. So I threaded through one button here, some of the pieces, just a few pieces. I don't want too many. And what I was thinking was that I could line this up at the top, and I could line another one up on the opposite side, and I could glue them together with my hot glue gun. I'm gonna keep my strings up because I want them to be up after. So here we go. So we're gonna just be winging this, guys. Not like I did this before. Put some glue on here, and we're gonna just place this how we want at the very top of the pen. And I'm gonna glue on the other button so that they match up. And I used the two different patterns in the package, so I used one of each. And this also keeps that tassel-y thing in place, which is kind of cool. The glue is gonna keep that from shifting things too bad. So now it looks like this, and I'm almost done here. I thought it would be fun to maybe try and make a little bow. So I'm making the bow. I made it with the pink ribbon, and then to tie it off, I'm using a scrap of the other piece of ribbon. And I'm just tying a double knot here. And I thought that would be cute to just glue right there on both sides. This side doesn't have the ribbon. This side does, and I'm gonna put a bow on each side. So here's how the bow looks on this side, and I'm gonna make one for this side. And all I did, guys, was take this piece here. I wrapped it once, twice, and the third one sticking out. And then I kind of wiggled it off my finger. I'm making this look hard, but it's really not, guys. And I could just trim this here. We'll fix it after. Once you wiggle it off your finger, you're gonna try and tie another piece in the middle so that you form your bow. And then you're just gonna tie it in a knot. And then I recommend at least 2 knots. And here's my flat pen. I have a little tassel, and I wanted that so that it could stick out my planner. So it would be like this. So when you have your planner, you could just stick that in. It's like a bookmark, and it serves as a pen when you need one in a hurry. You got a pen right there that's gonna fit nicely inside your planner. This was hosted by Donna from Little Spaceman Papercrafts, the 3-in-1 collab. I think I fulfilled it. I used my any craft item, which was my pen. I used my cardstock, my wood embellishment, and my ribbons. So guys, let me know how you think I did with this. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.